Life is a journey, a path filled with unexpected twists and turns. It has its ups and downs. We all face challenges, moments that test our resolve and push us to our limits. It is within these challenges that we discover our true strength, the resilience that lies dormant within us. Our minds are powerful tools, capable of shaping our reality and influencing our experiences. They can either limit us or liberate us, depending on how we choose to use them. By cultivating a positive mindset, we can overcome obstacles and achieve our dreams, no matter how daunting they may seem. Mental well-being is crucial for a fulfilling life, a life where we feel balanced and at peace. It's not just about the absence of negativity or stress. It's about actively cultivating positivity, resilience, and inner peace, creating a sanctuary within ourselves. Just as we care for our physical health, we must nurture our minds with equal dedication. There are simple yet powerful practices that can help us do just that, guiding us towards mental clarity and strength. These practices are not about escaping life's difficulties or running away from our problems. They are about facing them with clarity, strength, and a sense of peace, embracing the journey with an open heart. They are about tapping into the power within, the power to persevere, to overcome, and to thrive no matter what life throws our way. In the quiet moments, we connect with our true selves. Meditation is a pathway to that stillness. It is a practice of training the mind. Like ripples on a lake, our thoughts can cloud our perception. Meditation helps to calm these ripples. It allows us to observe our thoughts without judgment. As we sit in stillness, we become aware of the present moment. We notice the breath, the sensations in the body, the sounds around us. This practice of mindfulness can be challenging at first. Our minds are used to constant activity, but with patience and perseverance, the benefits unfold. We begin to experience greater clarity, focus, and emotional stability. We become less reactive to stress. Nature has a remarkable ability to soothe the soul. It offers a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life, providing a space where we can find solace and tranquility. A simple walk in nature can be incredibly restorative. The act of moving through a natural landscape allows us to leave behind our stresses and immerse ourselves in the present moment. As we immerse ourselves in the sights, sounds, and smells of the natural world, we reconnect with something larger than ourselves. The rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the earthy scent of the forest floor ground us in the here and now. The fresh air fills our lungs, invigorating our bodies and minds. Each breath we take feels like a cleansing wave, washing away the remnants of our worries. The sun warms our skin, its gentle rays providing a comforting embrace. We feel a deep connection to the natural world, as if we are part of its timeless rhythm. The rhythm of our footsteps becomes a meditation in itself. Each step we take is a reminder of our journey, both physical and spiritual. We let go of worries and anxieties. In this serene environment, our minds find clarity and our hearts find peace. We begin to see the beauty in the ordinary, the intricate patterns of a leaf, the delicate veins that tell a story of life and growth. The flight of a bird, a symbol of freedom and grace, the gentle sway of trees in the breeze, a dance that has been performed for centuries. Nature reminds us that everything is connected. The roots of trees intertwine beneath the soil, creating a network of life and support. It teaches us about cycles of growth and renewal. Just as the forest regenerates, so too can we find new beginnings. A walk in nature is a gift we can give ourselves every day. It is a chance to reconnect with the world around us and with our own inner selves. It is a simple yet profound way to find peace, clarity, and inspiration. In nature, we discover the true essence of renewal. Section 4. Yoga, Harmony of Body and Mind. Yoga is a practice that unites the body and mind. It is a system of postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. Through physical postures, we build strength, flexibility, and balance. Breathing exercises, known as pranayama, calm the nervous system and increase vitality. Yoga is not about achieving the perfect pose. It's about the journey of self-discovery. It's about listening to our bodies and respecting our limits. As we move through the postures, we cultivate body awareness. We learn to release tension and find ease. Through this practice, we develop a deeper connection with ourselves. We access inner strength, resilience, and a sense of peace that extends beyond the mat. Section 5. Cultivating resilience through practice. Life is not always easy. We will face challenges. We will experience setbacks. These moments can feel overwhelming, but they are also opportunities for growth. But it is through these experiences that we grow stronger. Each challenge we overcome adds to our resilience, making us more capable of facing future difficulties. Meditation, nature walks, and yoga are not just practices for relaxation. They are essential tools for mental and emotional well-being. They are tools for building resilience. These practices help us to cultivate inner strength and stability. They teach us to face difficulties with grace and equanimity. Through regular practice, we learn to remain calm and centered, even in the midst of chaos. Meditation trains the mind to stay present. It helps us to observe our thoughts and emotions without being swept away by them, fostering a sense of inner peace. It helps us to observe our thoughts and emotions without being swept away by them. This practice builds mental clarity and emotional resilience. Nature walks remind us of the impermanence of all things. They connect us to the natural cycles of life, showing us that change is a constant and natural part of existence. They show us that even in the face of adversity, life goes on. Nature's resilience inspires us to keep moving forward no matter the obstacles. Yoga teaches us to find strength in flexibility. It encourages us to be adaptable and open to change. It helps us to bend without breaking, to adapt to change, and to find balance in our lives, and to bounce back from challenges. By integrating these practices into our daily lives, we can cultivate a deep and lasting resilience. Section 6, the upward spiral of positivity. Our thoughts have power. When we focus on the positive, we create an upward spiral. Meditation, nature walks, and yoga help to shift our perspective. They remind us of the good in our lives. They cultivate feelings of gratitude and appreciation. As we practice these activities, we begin to notice positive changes in ourselves. We become more patient, more compassionate, more forgiving, both towards ourselves and others. This positive energy radiates outwards. It impacts our relationships, our work, and our overall outlook on life. The more we focus on the positive, the more we attract positive experiences into our lives. It becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Section 7. Start your journey today. The journey to a more fulfilling life begins with a single step. Start small. Be patient with yourself. Set aside a few minutes each day for meditation. Find a quiet spot in nature and take a walk. Try a beginner's yoga class or follow along with an online video. The most important thing is to make these practices a regular part of your life. As you continue on this journey, you will discover the transformative power within you. You will cultivate resilience, inner peace, and a positive outlook that will guide you through life's adventures. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within you. Embrace these practices. Start your journey today. The path awaits.